I'm Corin.
And I'm Alyssa. And we have a fun song for you today.
We do, one that you can join in on.
Lots of actions again.
Now let me tell you, we're at Arthur's Seat. You can see a big hill behind us. We're on Arthur's Seat. Come up here with your doggies and your daddies and your mammies.
Now it's time to get up on your feet. That's it. And join in with us and
Great.
dancing.
Now listen, what we're going to do is, I'm going to sing one of the verses in Scots.
Yep.
And Alyssa's going to sing it in
English. Yeah.
And just so that you can understand what I've been singing. Okay.
Ready.
I think you'll know this one. A wee Willie Winkie runs through the tune, upstairs, downstairs in his nichty goon, chapping at the windies, crying through the locks, are all the bairnies in their beds is past 8 o'clock.
Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town, upstairs, downstairs in his nighty gown, knocking on the windows, shouting through the locks, are all the children in their beds, it's past 8 o'clock. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the tune, upstairs, downstairs in his nichty goon, chapping at the windies, crying through the locks, are all the bairnies in their beds, it's past 8 o'clock.
Hey Willie Winkie, are you coming ben? The cat's singing pardon soon's tae the sleeping hen. The dog spilled dirt on the flare, doesna gie a cheep, and here's a wakeful bairn that will nae fall asleep.
Hey Willie Winkie, are you coming in? The cat's singing purring sounds to the sleeping hen. The dog spread out on the floor and doesn't give a cheep, but here's a wakeful little boy that will not fall asleep.
Everybody join in!
Wee Willie Winkie running through the tune, upstairs, downstairs in his nichty goon, chapping at the windies, crying through the locks, are all the bairnies in their beds is past 8 o'clock.
Wee Willie Winkie runs through the tune,
upstairs, downstairs in his nichty goon, chapping at the windies, crying through the locks, are all the bairnies in their beds is past 8 o'clock.
Wee Willie Winkie
runs through the tune, upstairs, downstairs in his nichty goon, chapping at the windies, crying through the locks, are all the bairnies in their beds is past 8 o'clock. Yahoo! Thank you so much for joining in and joining us today.
Yes, and if you want to draw a wee picture of wee Willie Winkie running through the tune and chapping on the windies and crying through the locks, do it and send a photo to us and we'll paste it on our wee wall.
Definitely.
Have a wonderful week, everybody.
We'll see you all next time.
Like, subscribe and share because we're trying to build our audiences.
And make sure that you tick the little bell so you get a notification when we have a new video up.
Oh, that's a good idea, Alyssa.
See you next time.
Have a great week. Bye, everybody.